Today, I'm going to show you how to use the BitChat Mesh App, a unique communication tool that lets you send messages completely without an internet connection. Whether you're camping, attending an event, or in an area with poor signal, this app connects you directly to other users nearby using Bluetooth-based mesh networking. To get started, head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download BitChat. Once it's installed, open the app and grant the necessary permissions. You'll need to allow access to Bluetooth and location so the mesh network can function properly. Then, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Next, you can set your nickname, either keep the auto-generated one or choose something custom to identify yourself in chats. Once you're set up, the app will automatically start scanning for nearby BitChat users. It will connect you to them through a decentralized mesh network, meaning messages hop from one device to another, even reaching users who aren't directly within range. Now, to start chatting, simply join a channel using IRC-style commands. For example, type /JNumberGeneral to join the general chat room. You can also send private messages by selecting a user and messaging them directly. All messages are end-to-end encrypted for complete privacy. BitChat even supports fun IRC-style commands like /slab or /who, letting you interact in classic chat room style. The best part? There is no account needed, no phone number, no email, just instant local communication. So if you're looking for a secure offline chat app that keeps you connected anywhere, BitChat Mesh is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app guides and tech tips.